Welcome back. Today I'm sharing these absolutely delicious chocolate chip banana bars. In a large bowl, cream together a half a cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of light or dark brown sugar. Mix for a couple minutes until the mixture becomes lighter in color like this. Then it's time to add in 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 large egg that's at room temperature. We're going to mix that on a high speed for about a minute until all those ingredients are incorporated. Then it's time to very slowly incorporate 1 cup of all-purpose flour. We want to mix this on a low speed so that we don't overwork the batter, which can lead to tough bars. And we also want to scrape the sides of the bowl as needed with a rubber spatula. The next ingredient we're incorporating is 1 cup of super ripe mashed bananas, and you want to mix this on a medium speed until there's no more chunks of bananas. Then it's time to fold in 3/4 of a cup of mini chocolate chips or chopped up chocolate chips. Then pour it into a prepared 8" by 8" square baking pan and bake it at 350 degrees for about 32 to 36 minutes. And no matter how good they smell, be sure to let them fully cool before you cut them to get nice clean cuts. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The recipe is also up on Chelsweets.com.